Hi boys and girls, welcome back to Writer's Workshop. I hope you're enjoying doing this during your activity time. For today's activity, you're going to need some materials. You're going to need a pencil, your completed graphic organizer, so if you didn't finish it, you need to pause and go back and finish it. So you need your completed graphic organizer, your Fix-It-Up checklist, and this paper to write your research on. Pause the video and go and get those items right now. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write your name up at the top of the paper. Pause the video while you write your name. Excellent job. Now this first part is for your topic sentence. So I want you to think about your animal and how can you pull the reader in to your writing. You're going to write, I know a lot about this, and you can name the animal, or just think about what your topic sentence is going to be and go ahead and write that right now. Pause the video while you do that. Great topic sentence. Now the next part is fact number 1. So you already found your facts and wrote them out. So you want to look at your graphic organizer and pick which fact you want to write first. Go ahead and pick that fact and write your completed sentence on the lines provided. Pause the video while you do that. It's looking really good. Now it's time for fact number 2. Go back to your graphic organizer and pick your fact number 2 and write a complete sentence on the lines provided. Pause the video while you do this. You are whipping right through this. Great job. It's time to write fact number 3. Once more, look at your graphic organizer and write fact number 3. Remember to write in a complete sentence. Pause the video while you do that. You're down to the last part, the conclusion. How are you going to conclude your writing? Go ahead and pause the video and show me. Boys and girls, you have finished writing your paper. I am so proud of you. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now it's time for you to get your Fix-It-Up checklist, and you're going to go through each sentence to make sure you have everything you need. So you'll have to erase it after each sentence. Check your topic sentence. Pause the video while you do that. Then I want you to check fact 1, fact 2, fact 3, and the conclusion. When you're done checking all of your sentences, put it in your folder and check that off of your activity list and go on to your next activity.